Hi guys, in this video I would like to talk about soy sauce. A little bit about the history. Soy sauce has been created in China more than 2,000 years ago. So nowadays it has been widely used in Asia. Basically in my culture, when we talk about soy sauce, there are two main categories we are talking about. One is light soy sauce and the other one is dark soy sauce. In cooking, when we say add a little bit of soy sauce, we always means light soy sauce. That means soy sauce equal to light soy sauce. It is because we use light soy sauce much more often than dark soy sauce. Let's talk about light soy sauce first. In Asian recipes, we use soy sauce in seasoning, marinating, or as dipping sauce. As simple as that. It's because the soy sauce has a very nice aroma which enhances the flavor of the dish. That's why it's so popular. So how do we choose light soy sauce? There's so many brands in the market, like a lot of brands in the market. The simple guide to choose soy sauce is have a look of the ingredients. Usually the label are based on the quantity. The highest percentage of ingredients is the first one. The second one is second highest percentage of the ingredients. So usually for the soy sauce, the first ingredient is water. I think all of them are like this. And the second ingredient you want to see is soybean instead of salt, because the aroma of soy sauce is from soybean. So logically, you want to have higher percentage of soybean. And if you find soy sauce which has water and then salt and then soybean, so you expect that soy sauce will be quite salty, which we don't like. Other thing you want to pay attention is if they have artificial flavor enhancer or food coloring, because some of the soy sauce maybe because the technique or the extraction is not the best extraction. In order to sell or to market it, the soy sauce may have added some flavor enhancer or food coloring to make it more attractive to the consumer. So it's something you have to pay attention to. And also preservatives, if they have added preservatives. So basically you want to avoid as much preservatives as possible. That makes sense. These are the things that you want to pay attention to. So for Chinese soy sauce, we also have different grading for each soy sauce. It applies to light soy sauce and dark soy sauce as well. So because the soy sauce is from soybean fermentation, the highest grade we have is called deluxe. In Cantonese, we call Tao Cao, which is the first extraction of the soy sauce. That means it's the most intense and the best aroma. And also it has the nice coloring of the soy sauce. The second best one is gold label soy sauce. It depends on the brand. Sometimes we call it superior or premium soy sauce. Then it's a silver label. Then we just say soy sauce. The idea is the same. It's deluxe and then premium or gold label and then soy sauce or silver label soy sauce. It depends on the priority of the extraction of the soy sauce. Different brand, they have different formula, the tastes are different. And also this is not a sponsored video again. One of the brand you can consider is Pearl River Bridge. This brand is quite a popular brand in the Chinese community. The soy sauce has very nice aroma. As I know from their labeling, they don't have any artificial flavor enhancer and also food coloring. You should be able to find it easily in Asian grocery. If you find this brand, try to get deluxe because it also don't have preservative. So yeah, that's the brand I will recommend you. There are two other Japanese brands you could consider. So one is Kikkoman, if I pronounce it properly. So Kikkoman is also a good brand. As you can see from their packaging, high soybean ingredients. They don't have artificial coloring, flavors, or preservatives. So it is all natural and I would say it's a good brand. The thing is the soy sauce for this one, the color is a little bit darker than the Chinese light soy sauce. It doesn't matter as long as it tastes good. And the other brand you could consider is also Japanese brand is Yamasa. It also has very nice fragrance and also they don't have any preservatives in it. It's a well-established brand. The difference of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce is dark soy sauce is darker because it takes longer time for fermentation. So they have a thicker texture and darker in color. So in my culture, dark soy sauce is mainly used for food coloring in order to make the dish look more tasty. So for example, in chow mein, we also add a little bit of dark soy sauce in it. Dark soy sauce usually have sugar added in it. So when you taste it, this is less salty because we want to use dark soy sauce to add the food coloring. So we don't want to add extra salt into your dish. We don't use it that often. If you don't have any specific dishes which you like which you will need to use a lot of soy sauce, you could consider buy a small bottle instead. For Chinese or Asian cooking, we mainly have light soy sauce and dark soy sauce category. In the market, you may see a lot of different kind of subsegment of soy sauce. It all depends on your needs. You guys may ask about steamed fish soy sauce. Steamed fish soy sauce are sweeter because they add sugar in it, and also they have these artificial flavorings into it. So we use it for steamed fish. Once we steam the fish, we love adding the steamed fish soy sauce on it because it tastes so good. That's the main function we use for steamed fish soy sauce. So you can try to replicate the steamed fish soy sauce by adding some sugar and hot water and sesame oil and mix it and just taste it, see if you like it. Then you can use that for steamed fish soy sauce as well. So this is my experience of how to choose and how to use soy sauce, and I hope this video can give you some idea on it. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel and like my video. I'll see you next time. Say hi. Oh my god. Say hi, Patrick. Your audience.